Hey guys, welcome back to Game of Sprinkles. Today we are playing Don't Press the Button. Don't press the button. So I think we got, it's fine if you actually press the button, but because when you press the button, a minigame happens. How many? Two. There's two. Yay! And guys, comment down below if there are any games you want me to try out. I'm gonna. Okay, guys, I gotta admit, I've only been playing Roblox for 2 years. So, yeah. I don't really know. Well, technically 1 year. 1 year, but yeah. Wait, what? Oh, sorry, guys. I think I was AFK or something. Oh, okay. I got an idea. Just gotta keep on going. I feel like we really didn't have to do anything because the things were bigger than us. Oh. Oh my god, yes! Obby time! No! Okay, jump, jump, jump. No! Sorry, guys. I just don't like dying in obbies. I feel like no one does. So, yeah. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen, guys. I think you guys already knew I knew that would happen, but yeah, I wanted to see what would happen. Oh my god. Do I have a bad luck right now? Is that really what's happening? Do I have bad luck right now? Who knows? Who knows? Oh, we're playing this game. Hot potato, you get it. Bye. Give it to me, give it to me. I'm gonna try making him give it to me. Dude! Why was I doing that? Sprinkle Squad, answer me. Why was I doing that? Who knows? That's the answer. Who knows? Oh, and guys, there's going to be a new episode for Porter Rich series out tomorrow. And also comment down below what you want to see in the future of Porter Rich series, because I have a few episodes plan on doing. Just need some time to work on it. But tomorrow there's going to be a new one coming out. Come on, I want to press the button. Again. Oh, that's what we're doing. Okay, it's letting me move. actually kind of fun. The first time my friend told me to play it, Samsonite Gaming X, I think that's what his name is. It's so hard to remember. I think that's what his name is. He introduced me to this game. And I thought I was not going to like it, but then I joined. And I liked it. So yeah. If you guys like mini games and like obbies, and like you're good at that stuff, like murder mystery and that type of games, you would like this game. I promise you, you will. What? Okay, run away, run away, run away, run away, run away, run away, run away. No! Run away, run away, run away, run away. And guys, by the way, I have 2 specials planned for when we hit 50 subscribers. And I want you guys to help out my friends too get to 50 subscribers. So go subscribe to all their channels. It would mean a lot to them and me. And subscribe to Game of Sprinkles if you like my videos I post. And now I post different videos every time. So it's always a surprise. But mostly I will be posting Brookhaven videos for my Portavish series and other things. I really don't like this one. I'm good at hobbies, but not this one. At least this time I didn't fall off the thing. If you guys were watching previously and didn't skip ahead, you would know what I mean. Oh, and hopefully I get in the picture. No! Okay. Yes! I actually got a full glimpse of me! And I covered 2 people! Yay! Oops! Oopsie doopsie! Oh, no. I don't know what we're doing. I guess I missed it, but yeah. Oh, I don't know what this looks interesting. Most people are taking that path, so I'm gonna go take this path. Yeah, everyone's mostly taking path over there, so I'm not gonna do it. I'm not taking any chances! I'm gonna try getting close to them. Okay, yeah. Oh my god! I'm dumb. That's all that it proves. I can see that Isabelle, I don't know even know her name. That is a seeker, but I still go near her. I'm actually seeing who is the seeker. No! I'm gonna say no. No. I'm just dumb. I literally just went in it knowing I would die. It's kind of like one of those games where the things goes up and down and you have to like go down or up and you can't get hit by it. That's what it seems like. Okay, well, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe to all my friends and like all their videos and turn on the notifications for my channel and my friends' channels. And remember, and I hope you are having a Sprinkles day. And bye, Sprinkle Squad. Have a Sprinkles day.